I am going to demonstrate the purl stitch. The purl stitch is created by bringing the working yarn to the front of the peg, inserting your knitting tool from the top to the bottom to the back of that stitch, picking up the new loop, holding that loop, taking the old one off, placing the new one on. Let's watch that again. Insert, grab, hold it, take old one off, put the new one on. That is the purl stitch, and it looks like this. Little bars all along. This is the front side, and the wrong side looks like this. It's the opposite. That's the knit stitch right here.